fired, shots fired. It's going westbound, eastbound. I'm shot. It's just 1050. Ah. Where'd he go? This way, turn around. Behind you. Where'd he go? Looks like he jumped the fence at BMA, jean jacket. I think I need medics for my personnel. Hey, you're good. You're good. You're good.
(911), what's the address emergency? Hello, 911.
Yeah. Is it ever the gun in our house? Is it ever the gun in our house?
There's a guy in your house with a gun?
He ran out of backyard.
They have to put a gun on my head. He was on the backyard and came inside.
Where is he?
I think he went to the other house.
Wait, it's okay. Which way? Which way? You went this way?
In the backyard, and then I think he jumped the fence, but I don't know where.
Sparks, police! Police department! Hey, just cover me just in case the guy might be in there. Police department, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Sparks, police! Put your hands up! Stop! That doesn't look like anyone's in there. Alright, so we have a critical incident that's going on. It's kind of dangerous right now. Did anyone jump inside your yard or backyard? No. Where are you headed to?
To the store.
Okay. What I need you to do, can you go inside your house and shelter in place? Let's get this family out of here. And we need them for detectives so they get more information. Yeah. Well, please. Hey, there's an older WFA in this house. She's the one I talked to.
They go back inside?
Yeah. Hello, please. Get her up! Get her! Hey, stand up. Are you hurt? No. Get her up! Get her up! Get her up! Get her up! I got you. I got you. I got her.
Hand over here. There, I got one hand. You get the other. Let's go. Come on, man. Let's go. Get behind the car. Stay right here, man.
Get the fuck out of there! Go back inside? Yeah. Oh, please. Get fire! Get her out! Get her out! Get her out! Stand up. Are you hurt? Where is he? Get her out! I don't know. He's in. Back away from. He's shooting deep. Get his shield. He's shooting at us deep.
What's the address of the emergency? Okay, and tell me exactly what happened.
Somebody has broken in my house and barricaded my bathroom. The police have got the street blocked off. He's got it right down the front door and come in.
Okay. He's barricaded in the bathroom?
No, I'm in the bathroom. He's on the outside.
Does he know you're in there?
I don't know, maybe.
What's your name?
I'm scared to death.
Stay right there, watch it. Yeah, got it right there.
We got blood on the fridge, dude. So got blood. Touch it! Back it up. I got you. I got you. Work it out. Work it out. Left corner. Left corner. Back it out.